Initially, we had a small machine shop within our assembly plant, and it was to make prototype parts. We needed quick turnaround and proprietary equipment and parts manufacturing. So that's how we started making parts. They were very technical, and we eventually have vertically integrated to the point that we make about 40% of the parts that go in our engine. We had other race teams ask us to make parts for them. So we added some equipment. We moved into a separate facility. We started looking for better tools to manage our machine shop, and that's really how we've used Sage. We have used a lot of simulation capabilities, and then as time has progressed, we decided that we wanted to diversify into other industries. And so with that, we realized, as always, you have to have certification and recognition in order to be a viable supplier. So we immediately investigated ISO 9000. We became certified within 6 months. And then we wanted to raise the bar to aerospace. So we needed AS 9100 certification. So we did that. And then we added a lot of defense business, and with the pandemic realized that medical business was a great opportunity, especially making ventilators. So we had a consultant come in and we looked at ISO 13485, and we're currently doing a gap analysis, and we'll start working on that certification next. We also looked at our key or our core competencies. Pretty much in the racing arena, our business is developing and assembling and testing engines and continuously improving the horsepower, the functionality, and the performance. So with that, we are very careful not to release products without all of the testing and simulation. So that brought us some core foundational competencies right from the beginning. So as we moved into a larger facility, then we were able to add more 5-axis lights out machines, automation, and it gave us the ability then to diversify our customer base.